How to enable or disable custom ads on your blog or website on Blogger, easy and fast. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. First step, go to blogger.com. This is the homepage as you can see. Now please follow with me. First thing, go here and click on this settings down here. After you click on settings, here you will find many and a lot of options on this page, but all what you have to do is scroll down. Keep scrolling, keep scrolling, keep scrolling until you find the monetization right here. And then here you will find enable custom ads.txt. Click on it to enable it, and then click on custom ads, and you can custom ads from here. And if you want to turn it off, click on it again, and here you go. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the very end of this video. See you later, and thank you very much.